Hello all and welcome to this hands-on review of the official silicone cover for the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. You may have seen this case feature in our previous video regarding our top official cases. However, within this video we will be giving a more in-depth review of it. I will be modelling the case today on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, though it is also available to all of the devices within the S21 series. If you are looking to purchase this case, I have left its link as to where you can find it in the description and comments below. First and foremost, I'm exceptionally impressed with the high quality materials used to construct this case. It is incredibly soft to touch, making it a pleasure to hold for when scrolling through the contents of your phone. Its texture is super smooth, therefore unlike a lot of silicone cases, it is easy to place and remove from your pocket, as there is no friction caused when doing so. A strong benefit to owning a silicone case is the amount of grip that is provided. This is most certainly relevant to this cover. It's not as grippy as other silicone cases that I have come across. However, it does supply the necessary amount of grip to prevent any accidental tumbles, minimising the chances of your precious new handset becoming damaged. Because of the case's grip, there is the slight downfall of dust and lip becoming attracted to the cover, though because of its smooth texture you are able to wipe it clean without any issues. I hold here the light grey, but you can also get this case in black, purple and pink, all of which positively complement the colours that the handsets are available in. When the case is attached, you do not lose the handset's original weight or size. This is most ideal for those who own the S20 Ultra, as the device is already rather large. Due to its thin construction, it still fits within your hand comfortably and does not feel overbearing. The majority of the area surrounding the camera lenses is covered by the case, granting outstanding protection to keep your handset's condition intact. The lenses are exposed, making sure nothing obstructs you from taking 8K videos from this magnificent phone. To protect the lenses, Samsung have enforced a raised lip to make sure no surface comes into contact with them. This reduces any chance of scratches forming on the lenses. The cover supports a hard shell construction. This protects the structure of the handset and also poses as a strong defence against the potential threats that may occur as a result of everyday use. There is flexible material covering the volume adjustment and lock buttons, so you will not need to apply any additional pressure in order to use them. Applying the case is easy. Removing the case seems to be slightly more challenging. This proves the safety of your handset for when it is situated within the cover, as there is no room for it to move. There is a generous amount of lip offered to the display of the handset, to raise it from any surface that is placed onto, ensuring that nothing hinders the visuals of the content you watch from your phone, allowing for you to continue watching your favourite TV shows from off this spectacular display. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on the official silicone cover for the S21 series. For more regular content to keep you up to date with the latest and greatest smartphone accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.